Good morning, Group 52. Life can be full of ups and downs, but this is proof that you're still alive. But what do you do when you feel like your problems are so big they can consume you? You see, despite the great love that God had for Jesus, he never prevented him from dying, but he made Jesus so big that the grave could not hold him. So rather than being scared of your problems, pray that God will increase you. Don't be scared of sickness. Pray that God increases you until sickness becomes scared of you. Don't give up on praying for those family members you feel will never change. Pray knowing that your prayers will change the unchangeable family members. The next time you see a problem, don't run or cry in fear. Walk into the room, knowing that because of the God that you serve, you are the answer to the problem. As God told Jeremiah, if you get tired running with men, how can you run with horses? Because God doesn't look to remove your problems from you. He wants to increase you until you're so much bigger than your problems. God bless you, Group 52. This week, make your problems afraid of you because of the God that you serve, and have the best week of your life.